Hello everyone, welcome to EDU Teaching, Learning, and Leading in the 21st Century. I am Dr. Julie Atkins and I will be your instructor for our course. For some of you, this may be your first online course. For others of you, you may have taken a course at a different institution. And for others of you, you may be an Ashford graduate already, just working on your graduate degree now. So wherever you stand, welcome. But I wanted to take a moment to review the different areas of the course to help expose you to all the different resources that are available to you as you navigate through these next 6 weeks. So you will see here to the left are some quick links to different parts of the course, which are the announcements, the syllabus, modules, your grades, course policies, the Writing Center and library, course resources, and then these two right here are not pertinent to this particular course, but you may use them in future courses. So when you do open up your page, you'll be brought to the announcements. So I highly suggest that you review this every time you open up. Typically, I post an announcement every Tuesday, but sometimes I will include additional announcements throughout the week that may include additional articles or videos to enhance your learning, or perhaps some suggestions to seek out in the Writing Center that might support your academic writing. So just be sure that you're reviewing this, and you can certainly, when you click on it, review the information. Like I said, a lot of times I'll post a video, but you can also reply to these threads. So if you do have a question, you can certainly go in, make a reply, and I will be noted and I can go in and check it. So make sure that you're doing that. And if you have, like I said, questions, feel free to email me or use this announcement thread. The other thing I wanted you to look at, once you get to, this is the home page, you have your quick link to your announcements, and then you have your course information here that you can click on, and then it's broken down into each week. So it does a really good job of giving you a snapshot of what is required. So each week has an overview of what you will be learning, your resources that are required. So you'll have your required readings and then some additional readings that may not necessarily be required, but would help support your learning. So you'll want to take a look at that. And then your weekly lesson. Every week there's a weekly lesson, and I'll click on that real quick. And the way that it's broken down, it'll preview your what is to be expected for the week. We'll provide an introduction that segues into what you will be learning, and then it will break down into what the learning activities are for each week. So this is a great place to go because it will elaborate a bit further on what you will be expected to do each week. And then the week 1 lesson goes into even more detail about the learning objectives and what you'll be learning. So a lot of times there'll be additional links to videos or articles that will help support your learning. So then there's also tips for success, where there's a lot of links from the Writing Center to help support your academic writing. So be sure to take the time to look through this. It's a valuable resource for you as you tackle each week. So going back to the home page, and I'm going to go back down to those modules. It's right here. So you'll see it breaks down for you what is due. Just so that you know, every week you will have at least one discussion. I know in week 5 you have 2 discussions, but your discussions, the initial response is due by Thursday of every week. And then your responses to students are due on Mondays every week as well. Now, I really encourage you to not wait till Monday to make all of your responses. I encourage you to do them over several days so that you are able to promote ongoing discussions, as that is what the purpose of the discussions is for. So once, for example, if you make your initial response on Thursday, you can make a response to another student on Friday, another one on Saturday, take a break on Sunday, enjoy some time to yourself, and then perhaps follow up on Monday to see who's responded to you, and just address any lingering thoughts or questions, again, to promote that ongoing dialogue. And by all means, you do not have to, you could go beyond the 2 responses. So just wanted to put that out there. And then you do have your introduction this week that is due on Tuesday. And then every week you have, actually the first 3 weeks, you'll have what is called graduate readiness modules. And it will just walk you through all the different resources that are available to you at Ashford University. And then a quiz will follow, as this is just a way to ensure that you've taken the time to review all the great things that are there to support your learning. And so here's your week 1 assignment that is due on Monday. Just to clarify, your assignments are always due on Mondays of each week. And each assignment is written in the same format. It will give you directions on how to prepare for the assignment, things to reflect on as you're working on your assignment, and then the content instructions, basically what you need to do for this particular assignment. The other great thing is that every assignment has a template provided for you. So I'm going to open that right here. And so your template already has a lot of the APA formatting already done for you. So you'll just have to include your information here. And all these little green boxes provide additional guidance. Just make sure that you delete it before you submit your final paper to Waypoint. And then again, it's broken down to you for you based on the headings and what's needed to be done. It'll provide an additional verbiage about what you should complete underneath each heading. And then there are links to the Writing Center to support you with different aspects of academic writing. And one of the most important things at the graduate level is being able to integrate your research in there. And this doesn't mean just supply me with direct quotes. Direct quotes should be used sparingly. Your paper should never be more than 10% of direct quotes. Instead, you should be working on paraphrasing to show your analysis. So I wanted to make that point there. But again, it's all, the templates are broken up for you based on the headings and what you need to do. And then your last page will be your reference page. And the Writing Center, again, has a great list here to help you with properly formatting, as this is an area that a lot of students tend to struggle with. So that is pretty much the overview of the course. But when you do click on your grades, it will have a list of all the assignments that you've had. And once you earn a grade, you will get that percentage. I just want to encourage you to make sure that you click on the actual assignment itself, because I will provide comments for you, summative comments that will provide you further guidance on areas of your strength and areas of needed improvement. Sometimes I may provide video feedback, so that attachment will be here as well. So just be sure that you're actually clicking on the assignment so that you can get the additional feedback that I offer. Other than that, if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can email me, you can give me a call or text, and I'd be happy to chat with you. I'm looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great first week.